Manipur today began hosting 5 events of 69th National School Games Championship organized by Department of Youth Affairs and Sports, Manipur, under the aegis of School Games Federation of India. Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla, Chief Secretary Dr. Punit Kumar Goel, YAS Secretary N. Praveen and YAS Director Dr. M. Vito graced the opening ceremony, among others. The championship will feature under 19 boys and girls, wushu, archery, football and fencing, along with under 17 boys and girls, judo, with athletes from across the country participating. Wushu and archery events will be held from January 15 to 18, football and judo from January 23 to 28, and fencing from January 29 to February 3. Addressing the event, Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla said the championship aligns with India's vision of nurturing young sporting talent, especially as the country aspires to host the 2036 Summer Olympics.
Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji has repeatedly emphasized the importance of fitness and active lifestyle for a strong nation through initiatives such as Fit India Movement, Khelo India, and his call to combat lifestyle disease like obesity. He has reminded us that a healthy India is a powerful India, and right from the young age we have to practice that. Manipur, often called as sports powerhouse of India, takes great pride in hosting the national event. This land has produced Olympians, world champions and countless role models who have shown how determination and perseverance can overcome all odds.